G'day guys, welcome to another KamicarzCreation video. Going to take this little girl home today. Little girl, my wife has affectionately named it Cupcake, seeing she paid for it. She does a little bit of cooking for extra money and took the money out of her cake account, and as such she's been called Cupcake. Anyway, we'll go with that. Seen my wife's bought it for me. I'm pretty impressed. It's a great little car, looking good. Love that grille. Got to do a fair bit of work in the front end of it there as far as body work, and I'm thinking about giving it straight to my mate, the fellow that actually has helped me pick it up, and later on the trailer I'm going to take it home, give it a clean up, clean out the interior, you know, do some general stuff. It needs a little bit of radiator work, probably do similar to what I did as the thermo setup and a Davis Craig thing on this one, just to make the cooling nice and efficient, because it's a reasonably good motor in there and it's pretty random the way it's been set up at this stage. But yeah, get it home, get it cleaned up, do some basics, and see how I go for cash flow, and then I might just give it up to my mate and start onto the body work. Really keen to know what other people have done, if they've got them out there, especially body panels. I'm thinking about doing a full body kit on it, you know, the nose, lip on the front, and the flares over the wheels, and looking at an option to get rid of that cooler popping out the bottom of the bumper bar there. But anyway, they're all things that I will get to, and we're going to load her up in a second and take her away. Well, there you go guys, had a little bit of fun in the little beast, like just faultless, like for sitting there for so long. It's been sitting for about 3 years. I've just talking to my good mate that helped me deliver it there on the trailer, and we're talking about a burnt orange colour, Mechanically it's not too bad. I'm going to do a little bit of a overhaul on it, clean it out, empty some of the fluids out and replace them. Probably 4 to 8 weeks I'd reckon. It might be up at his place, and looking at like getting some body work. The interior at this stage I'm thinking about stripping it right out, gloss whiting the inside, putting a new set of seats in and getting the dash organised, but other than that not a lot at this stage. So anyway guys, if you like this video, hit that like down the bottom, hit that little thumbs up, and please subscribe. I've noticed that most of the viewings of my videos are from people that aren't subscribed. So hit subscribed, hit that little bell if you want updates. If you don't want updates, just subscribe so you can have a look in when you want to, see what I'm doing, keep up to date with this little car, because I think it's going to be a little winner. I've got a fair bit to do on it, but it's a goer.